Wherry Lines connect Lowestoft and Great Yarmouth to Norwich, which is where I've come today to take a trip on yet another of Greater Anglia's regional routes. Norwich, a city in Norfolk, is the beginning of both of these lines, and is very well connected too. From Norwich, you can make connections for services to Sheringham via Cromer, intercity services to London Liverpool Street, as well as various services headed to Ely, the East Coast Main Line, and even an East Midlands Railway service all the way to Liverpool Lime Street. To the east is Brundall Gardens and Brundall, after which the line branches into two directions. Continuing eastwards, the line leads to Great Yarmouth, stopping at Lingwood and 𝗖𝗂𝗶𝗁𝗂. The southeastern branch from Brundall is a line down to Lowestoft, calling at Buckingham, Cantley, Reedham, Haddiscoe, Somer Leyton and Oulton Broad North before reaching Lowestoft. Just to make things even more confusing, from Reedham, the line branches off once again to the northeast towards Great Yarmouth via Berney Arms, which is also the least used station in the UK. With a typical timetable, services can be explained with this simplish table. The route dates back to as far as 1844, when the first line between Norwich and Great Yarmouth, running via Reedham, was opened by the Norwich and Yarmouth Railway. 3 years later, the line was extended from Reedham to Lowestoft, and then in 1882, the branch off Brundall to Great Yarmouth via 𝗖𝗂𝗶𝗁𝗂 was constructed, bringing the Wherry Lines to how we know it today. You might also be wondering where the name of the Wherry Lines comes from. Well, it is in fact in recognition of the old trading wherries that ran across the Broads prior to the widespread adoption of road and rail transport. Now, all services on the Wherry Lines are operated by Greater Anglia and their Class 755 FLIRT BMUs constructed by Stadler. These trains have been in service since 2019 and have been responsible for replacing the Class 37 short sets, Class 153 and 156 Super Sprinters, as well as the Class 170 Turbostars that Greater Anglia previously operated. The Wherry Lines are not electrified, so the 755s run in their diesel configuration and at a maximum of 60 miles per hour. Well, that concludes my quick look at the Wherry Lines from the city of Norwich to the seaside towns of Great Yarmouth and Lowestoft. I've been Seb, and as always, thank you for watching To The Trains.